Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the DualSense controller keeps disconnecting from your PC in 2026. So first of all, most of the disconnection problems come from Bluetooth. So on your PC, you just have to right click on taskbar, then click on the option of taskbar settings. When you are here, click on the option of Bluetooth devices. Over here, you are going to see your DualSense controller. So when you find it, simply click on the three dots right next to it, then click on the option of remove device. Now after doing this, you just have to turn off your Bluetooth, wait for a few seconds, and then you need to turn it back on. Now put your controller in the pairing mode by holding the PS plus create button until the light flashes. Then simply reconnect it to your PC by clicking on this add device and clicking on this Bluetooth option. Also, you need to make sure when you are doing this, you stay within close range for a stable connection. Now, even after doing this step, the Bluetooth keeps failing. You can switch to a wired mode. So you need to connect your controller using a USB cable. Windows should automatically detect it, and this is going to give a more stable connection with zero drop issues. If it still disconnects, you can also try a USB port or cable. Sometimes outdated drivers can cause the random disconnections. So in order to fix it, simply right click on the start button, then click on the option of device manager. When you see this type of pop-up, click on the option of the arrow right next to Bluetooth. Then simply select the Bluetooth and right click on it. Now here you need to click on the option of update driver and you need to update your Bluetooth drivers. So this is going to basically help updating the Bluetooth drivers and prevent any automatic disconnections. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.